Hey guys, here's a video on how to make a candy star. So here's what you will need. You will need 25 beads, scissors, and lastly, string, which I have right here. So I have my mask on and let's film. So cut off some string, which I have right here. So first get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 beads of your color. I'm also going to put something heavy on the back of the string so it doesn't move. So now you're going to put 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 beads on the string. 2, clear onto the string. 3, oh wait, no, 4, sorry. I'm counting by 2s. 6, 8. Oh my god, it's snapping. Snap back to it. Snap back to it. And now last 2, 10. So put the last 2. Oh my god. Last 2 on the string. And there you go. So we now have 10 beads on the string, which you're supposed to have. Now with both ends of the string, you're going to tie a knot, and then tie another knot. I usually do 4 knots just to be safe, but you can do more than one. So, this is, okay, 3 knots, and last not but least, 4 consecutive knots. So it should look like this. Now after that, you're going to cut the shortest end of your knot, not too much, of around like this much. Oh wait, this scissors are sharp. Okay, so about this much. It would be looking kind of wonky, so just like kind of shape into a star, kind of like how I did. You can pause the video too. Now after that, you're going to take the longest side of the string and add add 3 beads to it. Now add 1, 2, 3, like this. And after that, you're gonna skip one bead, but then at the next bead, skip one bead, but at the next bead, put the string into the bead. So like, I messed up. Put like that, and then you're going to pull the string very slowly so you don't mess up. So I'm just pulling the string and come off. And it should look like a point like that. And we're going to do this 4 more times. just finished 4 points. So for the last one, you're gonna add 3 beads, 30, and then you're gonna skip 1 bead and then put it through the next. So skip 1 bead and put through. It's hard to see with the mask on. Put through it. Okay. Now it should look like a star. Now make sure you didn't cut the shorter part too short. But now thread each ends of the star. What is happening? What? Wait. What is happening? Okay. So thread each end of, not each end of the string to each other, maybe 4 times. I do it 4 times, but you can do it more than 4 times or less. It just has to be more than at least 1 time. So, knot it, 1 time, 3rd time, and and 1 more time, like this, something like that. Okay, and pull it. Now, if there's still a lot of thread on the long end, you can cut it to as short as you want. I'll make it so it's not visible. And there's still thread on the shorter end, and cut it as short as you want. Now, there you go. You have your own star candy. If you want any more tutorials, just comment down below.